water because we're losing water. Look at just the little ponds down there. That's what we're seeing all up the river and down the river. It's just these little stagnant ponds. The water really isn't running. We've got a little running over this one. This one we're running down the river. And this is really so what we have done is we have approximately 2 to 4 weeks of water right now. Just depending on the situation. If we have fire, we're going to be in a world of hurt. We have requests for the Little League balls to want the water down the field. We have normally this time of year, running across this dam, you will see 3 to 4 feet of water that is just rushing over the dam. Right now we see a little bit that's running over on the north side, and the only reason we're seeing the water running over the dam is because of the powerful wind. This right here, the water running over, is hurting us. We're losing very much needed water at this point in time. We have what you're looking at now. This water
My bad. Republican River and the Delaware River, the flows in those rivers are below the standards set by law. So when that trigger is met, we notify the Division of Water Resources and the Department of Agriculture, and they are required then to administer water rights for water right holders that are junior to the setting of the administrative flow standard. So that process is underway on the Republican and the Delaware at this time. So that's one good indicator of drought that we see. And the other, of course, is when we see calls like the Kickapoo Nation.
Right. Now, a story just came across the wire a little while ago that they've issued water ban. Okay. You know the drill. You look at me, ignore the big bright light. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, the first question I want to ask is, what are the things that this department is keeping an eye on in regards to drought trigger mechanisms?
Kansas Water Office does have responsibility for monitoring climatic conditions, especially as they relate to potential drought across the state of Kansas. And the specific trigger mechanism that's used as required by state law is the Palmer Drought Index. And that is a compilation of a number of climatic conditions that look at soil moisture, both surface and subsurface, stream flow, water in storage, temperature and rainfall, of course, which become the two most important factors in monitoring of conditions. They have the most dramatic influence on drought. This weekend we had some very nice rainfall in much of the region, and that does provide some very important relief for crops. There's some temporary relief, but for the long-term trends, there's not usually a runoff event that can solve the problem. So it would take a sustained period of significant rainfall throughout the region to bring conditions back to where we wouldn't be moderate or mild.
You know, almost every time we have a rainfall, the local meteorologists put up the rain gauges. We've had this much rain here, and this is how we usually have it. I mean, so when people see that kind of stuff, right now we're like okay for May, but obviously we're not okay overall.
That is a bit of the distinction that makes it difficult to try and anticipate drought conditions and manage a drought response. Conditions are so variable across the state, as anybody who has one of those rain gauges knows. You can have a significant rainfall on one side of the road and virtually none on the other. So we try and use indicators that express a trend over a period of time